Welcome to Thailand's most luxurious camping experience. You might want to watch to the end because it's not as expensive as you might think. After a really long 8-minute drive, we finally arrived. Even in 8 minutes we still had rain.
Yeah.
Nice little complimentary drink.
Yours?
What is it?
I don't know. I like the colour of it. So today Liam and I have actually decided to go glamping. So this is our tent and our loungers. Here's Liam. We've got this cool outdoor swing. So I think I know someone who will lie on it a little bit later. So it's actually a pretty cool tent. I wouldn't say it's like normal camping. So we've got our big king size bed for camping. We've got our fan and we've also got an aircon vent so we won't sweat it out real bad. And then we've got a little welcome sign and some flowers, chairs, telly, got a wardrobe. And one thing which I miss about home is dressing gowns. So we've actually got some dressing gowns and some slippers, place for us to do our editing. We've got a mini fridge in here. And probably one of the coolest things about this tent is we've got a bath and our outdoor shower. Camping this way is not a bad way, and to be fair, I just think this is probably one of the cutest places I've ever been. I love it. Oh my god.
You did it before you laid down. Let me test the bed. Oh, yeah. It's better than our one at home, isn't it?
Yeah.
That proper sinks in.
Introduce yourself.
The king of the tents.
Are you always the king or the boss?
That's how it is, isn't it? We haven't eaten yet today, so we're going to go get some food from the restaurant. The restaurant's only for breakfast at the minute. I guess we'll have to just go out for food.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter.
We've driven about 5-10 minutes down the road.
And they've changed it. It doesn't look like the way it's
Daisy came here like 10 years ago when she came with her family, and she's surprised that it's changed.
Feels like I pretend, keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights.
We just had some lunch at Mimosa. Food is good, a little bit pricey, but definitely worth it.
But they do have a lunchtime special.
They do, which if you come between I think 11 and 3, they've got like a cheaper menu, which we've had a look, it looks pretty decent. Now on to the pool. So we just got back.
Huh?
I'm not talking to you. So we just got back, we're going to go try out the pool. It's not really the best weather for it, but it's still boiling. We're just outside our gate of this beautiful pool area. Thanks for that.
I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and
Yeah, a bit of fun in the pool was cut short. I think the perfect time to come camping. Well, good morning. We had our first night in the tent. The bed was comfortable, but it got pretty warm, and there was a big storm last night, so it was quite loud. But in fairness, it's still up, so did a pretty good job. But now we're gonna go and get some breakfast.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
You okay?
Yeah, and what about you? Good sleep?
It was good to see. The bed's very comfortable.
Thank you very much.
Daisy's feeling it a little bit this morning. She didn't have the best night's sleep, did you? Food was superb. Superb? Who says superb? We got caught in the rain, hence the dressing gown. We just can't catch a break with this. It's a big storm. Something tells me we're not going to be having a shower. Well, you could, but it wouldn't need to be on. It's almost stopped. What are you doing? What? Nice. So this place cost us for 2 nights about 5,000 baht, which I think is about 115 quid, which I don't think is too bad for what you're getting. The place, as you've seen, is lovely. The guy that owns it has been more than helpful, recommending restaurants to go to, things to do that's near. If you are thinking about coming here, I'll leave a link in the description. When we arrived, the owner was so thankful just to have some sort of business. I think there's only one other couple here at the minute, so everyone needs it. So like I said, leave a link in the description, and that's it. So hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.